So that thing here is missing. So I will measure it like that, the height of it and everything. And I will show you the complete procedure of how to design it in Tinkercad, which I think is the easiest way. The user interface is very easy for anybody to try and design 3D parts.
So this is the initial screen we are presented with when we start a new design. Here we have a randomly given name. I will change this to SONY TC200 lever it's called, anyway, whatever. I will go now through the whole procedure. So we have an empty workspace here. We can zoom in and out, experiment with the buttons and find what does what. We can rotate it like that, and we can move it. So I have here the measurements. I don't know if they can be seen. Okay, but look how it is. First, I will go through the whole procedure and I will talk, expressing my thoughts all the time so that you get familiar how that thing works. So let's put here a cylinder. So we have the cylinder. I do size to maximum when I insert a cylinder. You see, so that it's completely round. And this cylinder is the outer diameter of the whole thing we have, which is 36 millimeters. And this is also 36 millimeters. I will duplicate this with that thing here, and I will take one part and leave it there. Then this, I will make a height of 2 millimeters. Okay, now let's do the middle part where somebody can grab the lever to turn it. I will take a cube here. You can move the object just like that. I will take a cube. This cube, one side will be 36, the other I want it to be, so how much do we need to grab it? I think from 15 I think would be okay. So that will sort of be here somehow. Okay, but I want to cut it on both sides to be round like this one here. Let me show you how we can do this. So I take a cylinder here and I will make it big. Let's say 50 by 50. Okay, then I will duplicate this cylinder, take it here and put it here in the middle. I will change the color just like that to be able to see it. And now I will center both with this here. I will align them. Now they are both centered. Now the inner one, I will make it a hole. No, the inner one should be made a hole, is it? Yes. So now when I combine them, you see the hole is formed here. Now I will put the two here. I will align them just like that. Now they are both aligned, and that I will make a hole. So now if I combine these two, now you see that this is round and it fits perfectly here. Height 2 centimeters, I think it's okay. So now I will align these two by pressing here. You see? Now I will combine them, and I have a basic shape of my lever. I think I did something wrong, because the diameter was 36 and I should do it smaller. So this one I will do it, I have to do a lot of changes. I should not do it like that. So this should not be 36 but 35. 36 is the overall we have. This should be, so I mean it must be a little bit smaller so that it fits. So that way it's half a millimeter less from each side, 1 millimeter in total. So this will be also 35. And now that one I will do it also 35. That was a mistake I did, but like that you can learn, because we all do mistakes, and I also did a mistake. I will align this again, this side and this side. Now they are aligned. Now I will make this a little bit smaller. I will make this a little bit higher, and then in this I will make it 20 as it was from the beginning. Now I will turn this a solid, but this a hole. Like that, when I combine them, I get that hole in the middle. Now I will align these two just like that. So this is aligned and this is aligned, so it's aligned from both sides. Now if I turn this a hole and I combine these two, I get the shape I want. Now if I align these two, they are already aligned, and I combine them, please be combined. Yes. Now we have the basic shape of a lever here to turn. Now I have to do the shape of the middle axe. Let's see, I will take a cylinder here. So I will, the outer diameter is 6, so I will do 5.9 on both sides. No, if this is 6, that should be 5.5. And I hope that it will fit. Now the problem is that the other part, which should be here and here, I will show you, the other part is 4.5, so I will do it 4 millimeters. Let's see. If I take that, I will do here 10 and 10. Let's see if this line here is in the middle. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Now I will do this, the other one, to be in the middle by aligning the two. Okay, now this line is this line is in the middle of that thing also. Now, so how tall do I want this to be? So the height we have is 13, so I will do this 12. Now, two millimeters this side and another one 2 millimeters this side. Okay, do you see what I did here? So if I turn this a hole and I turn this also a hole and I combine these three, how does this look like? You see, now this looks like the middle axis of the knob, of the level we saw. So we must put it here in the middle, this one, and deduct it. Look how this can be done. I will make this a hole so that I can see inside. I will put it there, that thing. And I will select both and I will align them. So now we know that this thing here is exactly in the middle. I will do now the opposite. I want to select that thing, and I will turn this hole and I will turn this a solid. So now if I select them both and combine them, what do we have now? You see, we have the hole for the middle axe to go in. If I make this a hole, you can see how it is cut in there. So that thing might fit already and work, but I will add 2 screws, one from this side and one from the other side, with diameter 3 millimeters, so we can screw them in and hold this in place much better. Let's see how we can do that. I take a cylinder here and I make it 3 centimeters here. Let's go, and 3 centimeters here. I will make it big enough, and then I will rotate it 90 degrees. Did I do it exactly 90 degrees? Tuck, 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 tuck. I should be able to see. No, let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's rotated 90 degrees. And I will take another one. I will show you why. And instead of 3 millimeters, I will do it 6 millimeters. Let me show you. 6 millimeters and 6 millimeters. And this one I will make it also big, and I will also rotate this. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this to fit in here. Just like that. Do you see what I'm trying to do here? Then I will also do the same with this one. So I will align all these so now they are all, let's see, they are all exactly in the middle. So look now what I am going to do. I will turn this a hole and this a solid. Now I will combine this, and look now, I will turn this hole so that we can see inside. You see what I did? So we can screw in a screw that will block on this metal piece in the middle and stop the whole thing from moving. But I want to hide the head of the screw somehow inside, and that's why I did that thing here. And let me show you what I am going to do. I will turn this also a hole. Is this now in the middle? No, it's not. But now I think it is exactly in the middle. Now I will duplicate this and I will take this out. Then I will take this there and this one there. You see now what I have? You will understand really quickly what I'm trying to achieve. I will make this a solid and I will combine all of this. And now I have, no, it's not exactly in the middle. I'm gonna take this back. I will it's never in the middle. I will do it as good as I can. Now it looks nearly in the middle. I think this is okay. I will combine these two, and this is fine. The other one is not in the middle. I will pull it down a little bit. Now it looks like to be in the middle. Let's combine them. And now we have our finished part. You see what I have here? If I turn this hole, you can see exactly what we designed. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the finished part that I'm going to 3D print and fit there, and I hope that it will fit. Sometimes it doesn't. For example, this might be too small and the inside part cannot fit in, or such problems that I have many times. But this is I made this video so that I explain you how to design parts, and I think this is enough.
So I did a mistake. I showed it on the video earlier that the middle hole from the bottom for that I made it smaller, although I should have made it larger. But luckily the screw that I foresee here and here, you can see. So I drilled the hole later, and accidentally it came out from the other side while I was drilling. But anyway, using this screw I could sort of press the middle axis, and now look how nice it works. It's very easy to work on, and I'm not gonna do it again to try and make it fit directly, because it looks like it's working normally, so I'm not gonna do anything else. That's it. Bye bye.